Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys fingerprint lock setting in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you set your fingerprint lock in your Samsung phone guys. You want to set guys your fingerprint lock, so as you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, how can you set your fingerprint lock guys? Let's see. First of all guys, open your phone setting to set your fingerprint. Then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your lock screen. So guys tap here, screen lock type guys, tap here and guys scroll, click on guys fingerprint settings. So guys we will tap here, guys you can see continue. So guys we will tap here to continue. So guys, before set guys fingerprint guys, we will have to choose guys pattern, pin and password. So whatever you want, and guys you like guys you want to go with pattern, so we will go with pattern. So I will draw any pattern. So example for guys, I will draw it, and guys you can see this notification. Remember this pattern. If you forget it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So don't forget your pattern. Okay friends, confirm guys, wait here. And guys you can see guys, scan your finger. So I will scan it. So as you can see guys, we have this scanner. So we will touch and remove guys, touch and remove, touch and remove friends. Different move guys, touch and remove it. So as you can see done. So yes friend, done. Then guys you can use guys your fingerprint lock like that. So you can open your phone with your finger. So I hope friends you have understood how to set fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.